Got the midget on a motorcycle, folks. Found him. Found him. Come on. Jump off, little buddy. Jump off. Come on, man. Here he goes. Here he goes. Oh my gosh, this is so wrong.
Do it!
Here we go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see this.
He's gonna jump back on your motorcycle.
Vroom, vroom.